We're currently in a Tole site, 94,000 square meters, having several customers, multi-client site, operated by 15 drones, which fly every night and every weekend to check our inventory. The Verity solution is a very scalable and easy to implement solution, so kind of plug and play. We have an inventory team managing our inventory, managing the counts, administrating everything in our WMS. So during the day they decide what do we want to check during night. It can be all empty locations, it can be a certain customer, it can be everything that's moved. So they schedule the task for the Verity system and they just go home. Drones take off as soon as the operation ended and they complete the task as scheduled. It's really completely autonomous. Next morning they have the results and they can manage the inventory and solve any issues found.
The first time we actually saw the drones, it was amazing to see a drone just lifting off, fly out and taking pictures and coming back and actually share that information on the screen afterwards to compare our VMS data with live also, so we actually can share the client, not just that we have scanned it, but we have actually a picture of the different barcodes as well.
After we have cleaned up after 3-4 months, it's easier for the staff to work and they don't look for empty pallets or missing pallets anymore.
During the first business case calculations, we came to a return on investment approximately 2 years, which is a really good return on investment period for an automation solution.
All the clients we actually have on this facility have actually increased their inventory accuracy. We have scanned more than 7 million locations during a year. That was never been achievable if we had to do that by hand.